I solved question number 1, 2 of exercise 1.3 in previous classes. So I am going to solve question number 3. Question number 3 is express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Question number 3. Question 3. Express the following in the form P by Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. .47 we have to express 0.47 in the form of P by Q. We have to express the given integers 0.47 in the form of P by Q. To solve this, let x is equal to 0.47. Let x is equal to 0.47 बराबर 0.4777 dot. We can write because the given number is non-terminating decimal. So we can write 0.47 here. Here 7 is non-terminating. So we write for 0.47 is equal to 0.4777 because 7 is non-terminating decimal. Yeah, x is equal to 10x बराबर multiplying by 10x बराबर 4.777 dot. And 100x is equal to 47.777 dot. On subtracting 1 from 2 we get 100x minus 10x is equal to 47.777 minus 4.777 minus 4.777 dot. After subtracting, we get 90x is equal to 90x बराबर 43 या x is equal to 43 of 90. Hence hence 0.47 to the bar बराबर 43/90, which is in the form of P/Q. So we expressed 0.47 to the bar बराबर, hence we can write 0.47 is equal to 43/90. Similarly, we can solve 0.001. Let x is equal to, let x बराबर 0.001 या x बराबर 0.001 dot. We have to express in the form of P/Q. For this, we suppose that x बराबर 0.001. Here 3 digits are repeating. So we write x is equal to 0.001 001. Now here we have 3 repeating digits. Here we have 3 repeating digits. So we multiply. So we multiply by 1000. Here we have 3 repeating digits 001. So we multiply by 100 by 1000. After multiplying, we have 1000x is equal to 1.001 dot. Now subtracting 1 from 2. Now subtracting 1 from 2, 1000x minus x is equal to 1.001 dot minus 0.001 dot. Yeah. On subtracting, we get 999x. 1000x minus x is equal to 999x is equal to 99x is equal to 1. Yeah, x is equal to 1/999, which is in the form of P/Q. Hence, 0.001 is equal to 1/999. Proved. We are given express 0.99999 dot dot in the form P by Q. Are you surprised by your answer, which your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense? Of exercise 1.3, question number 4 is given, express 0.999, express 0.9999 dot dot in the form P by Q, in the form P by Q. Are you surprised? Are you surprised by your answer? Are you surprised by your answer, which your teacher and classmates discuss why the answer makes sense. I am going to explain, I am going to clear this question. Express 0.9999 in form of P by Q. 0.999 को P by Q के रूप में व्यक्त करें. Are you surprised by your answer? क्या आप अपने उत्तर से आश्चर्यचकित हैं? Which your teacher and classmate discuss why the answer makes sense. अपने शिक्षक और वर्ग साथी से इस उत्तर के बारे में आप तर्क दें कि कैसे 0.999 P by Q के रूप का है. To solve this question, let x is equal to 0.999 dot 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 dot. We are given 0.9999. So let us suppose that x बराबर 0.9999. Here we have only repeating decimal 9. So we multiply equation 1 by 10. Here we have only one repeating decimal. We have only one repeating decimal. So we multiply 1 by 10 by 10. After multiplying 10x बराबर 9.9999, Equation number 2. On subtracting 1 from 2, on subtracting 1 from 2, we get 10x minus x is equal to 9.9999 dot 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 minus 0.9999 dot dot dot, या 9x is equal to 9, या x is equal to 9 by 9. 9 by 9 is equal to 1. Hence 0.9999 dot dot is equal to 1. Since there is, we see that there is no gap between 1 and 0.9999. So this is in the form of, so this value is equal, 0.999 is equal to 1, because there is no gap between 1 and 0.999, and hence they are equal. Expressing 0.999 in the form of P by Q, let us suppose that x is equal to 0.999 dot dot dot. Here we see that we have only one repeating decimal, so we multiply 1 by 10, we get 10x बराबर 9 point, after one digit we put decimal 9.9999 dot dot dot. Equation number 2, on subtracting 1 from 2, we get 10x minus x is equal to 9.9999 minus 0.9999 dot dot. अथवा 9x बराबर 9 या x बराबर 1. Here we see that there is no gap between 1 and 0.999, and hence they are equal. There is no gap between 1 and 0.999. So for 0.999 we write 1. We can write, and hence they are equal because there is no gap. And this answer is completed. So again I am going to solve question number 5. 17. Perform the division to check your answer. In Hindi, 1/17 के दशमलव प्रसार में अंकों की पुनरावृत्ति की अधिकतम संख्या कितनी है? We have to show that 1/17 के दशमलव प्रसार में अंकों की पुनरावृत्ति की संख्या कितनी है, में अधिकतम संख्या कितनी है? परफॉर्म द डिवीजन टू चेक योर आंसर, कहता है विभाजन प्रक्रिया द्वारा अपने उत्तर की जांच करें. टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम वी डिवाइड 1/17 बाय, टू डिवाइड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, 1/17. By division method, we divide 1/17. Dividing 1 by 17, you know how to divide a number by another number. So 1 by 17, after dividing 1 by 17, we get 647 dot dot dot. Here, after dividing 1 by 17, we get 15 terminating decimal. 0.5888235294117 dot 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 dot. There are maximum number of digits in this quotient is equal to 15. The maximum number of repeating digit in the quotient while computing 1 by 17 is equal to 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, the maximum number of repeating digits in the quotient while computing 1 by 17. It means that if we divide 1 by 17, we get 15 repeating decimal. So the maximum number of repeating digit in the quotient is 15. This is your answer, and this is your answer by division method. We divide 1 by 17. We get in the after that we get same number. After dividing 6, 4, we get same number is repeating. So we write var over after 15 digits. Hence, the maximum number of repeating digits in the quotient while computing 1 by 17 is equal to 15. I give you some task to solve 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 number. I hope that you will try to solve question number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And tomorrow I will solve this question. Thank you. 3टा हिसाब से ग्रो है